I'm Mihir Shukla, CEO and Chairman of Automation Anywhere. Automation Anywhere and Google Cloud are combining the power of our AI-powered automation platform and Google's generative AI to transform businesses. We are using Google Cloud to launch new AI solutions on our AI-powered platform. Google Generative AI allows us to unlock new value for our customers and create multimodal automation use cases with generative AI. For example, in healthcare, we built a solution to automate after-visit summaries to reduce manual work. Today, physicians spend hours drafting summaries for every patient visits. At a hospital with hundreds of physicians, there is thousands of precious hours every week that could be dedicated to patient care. Let us show you how we transform the after-visit summary process with our AI-powered platform and Google's generative AI.
Hi, I'm Dr. Yan Chao, the Global Healthcare Leader for Automation Anywhere. We'll look at a billing system with access to the patient's electronic health record, or EHR. In the top menu bar is Automation Copilot. Copilot can be embedded into a user's primary application so they can access their automations directly and conveniently without leaving the application. Our demo features Dr. Garcia, who has just finished seeing a patient and needs to create an after-visit summary, so she launches the automation using Copilot. Behind the scenes, Copilot retrieves patient data, diagnoses, medications, lab results from the EHR in a HIPAA-compliant manner. Unstructured notes are processed by GenAI-powered document automation. With GenAI and MedLM, we can now understand medical context such as clinical acuity, medications, care gaps, and past medical history. Of course, no AI is perfect, so Dr. Garcia is able to review for errors and exceptions and can regenerate different versions of the after-visit summary if needed. In just a few seconds, GenAI summarizes EHR data into a patient-friendly, easy-to-understand after-visit summary with actionable recommendations. It's customized for language, culture, educational level, caregiver support, location, and so on. In the past, this level of customization would have been impossible for a busy clinician. Once Dr. Garcia approves the after-visit summary, Automation Copilot launches subsequent workflows, such as booking appointments, uploading to the patient portal, sending the prescription to the pharmacy, and even initiating prior authorizations. It's that easy. Dr. Garcia has saved hours of administrative work. She can now spend more time with patients, understanding their concerns and improving their care experience. And patients understand their care much better, which motivates them to follow Dr. Garcia's instructions. It's a win-win for everybody. Thank you for joining me.
Partnering with Google Cloud gave us access to an ecosystem of best-in-class machine learning models, including MedLM, which supports industry-specific use cases out of the box. Automation Anywhere is able to better support healthcare providers and reduce workload by up to 40% and provide 9x return on their investment on their AI and automation programs. Automation Anywhere provides a new way to help physicians reduce administrative work and focus more time on improving patient outcomes.